On March 14, 2023, at approximately 6:18 p.m., a U.S. Border Patrol remote camera operator observed multiple suspected undocumented migrants load into a BMW sedan approximately 1 mile north of the port of entry at Sasabe, Arizona. The camera operator transmitted the information to Border Patrol agents in the area via radio. Two agents who were parked in separate marked Border Patrol vehicles near mile marker 12 on State Route 286 observed a BMW pass their location driving northbound and began to follow. The driver of the BMW was reportedly driving in an erratic manner, turning the vehicle's turn signals on and off and speeding up and slowing down. The agents activated their emergency equipment to conduct a vehicle stop at 6:34 p.m. The BMW failed to yield and a pursuit ensued. The BMW turned westbound near mile marker 20 on State Route 286 onto the desolate, rugged Brown Bear Canyon Road, and agents continued to pursue the vehicle through the desert high country when the driver of the BMW turned the vehicle to the south 3.8 miles west of State Route 286 at approximately 6:41 p.m. while attempting to turn around. What follows is body-worn camera video from one of the agents involved in this incident. This video contains graphic content and strong language. Viewer discretion is advised. No audio was captured during the next 2-minute buffer period. The following footage will show the first Border Patrol agent who arrived positioned his Border Patrol vehicle behind the BMW, exited his vehicle, and approached the driver's side of the BMW. The agent used his collapsible straight baton to break the rear and front driver's side windows of the BMW. The agent reached into the vehicle as the vehicle moved in reverse. The driver of the BMW continued to move the vehicle backwards as the agent attempted to hold the driver's left arm. The vehicle stopped and the driver changed gears and started turning the steering wheel with his right hand while the agent was holding him by his left forearm, which was outside and below the driver's side window. The agent drew his handgun and fired one time, striking the driver of the BMW.
I didn't want him backing up into me, sir.
Hey, sure you copy that?
I'm not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. This is my phone right here. My phone's right here. Don't fucking shoot. Don't fucking shoot. I just don't want him backing up into me.
Don't fucking move. God damn it, dude.
He copied.
Huh? Don't move. Hey. I don't have gloves. Hey, I'm alive. Dude, why? Why?
Open the trunk. Open the trunk, sir. Open the trunk.
Is there people in there?
Yeah, it's open the trunk.
Okay. Hey. They got bodies in the trunk.
What color?
Bodies in...
None?
No, try to run me over. There are bodies in the trunk.
Hey, pass the driver's side on the left, by the left foot. By the left foot. Driver's side, left foot. Shit. Get me up, I'll open it. I'll open it if you guys can.
How many are in the trunk?
I'm sorry. Yes, there's this, right?
How many?
3. Hey, sir, Help me up, I'll open the trunk for you. I can get it by myself. I need your permission if you want me to do that. Or I got it.
They're right there. You got him.
Border Patrol agents secured 6 other occupants of the vehicle, which included 1 U.S. citizen who was sitting in the front seat and exited the vehicle immediately before the shooting, 2 undocumented migrants in the back seat, and 3 additional undocumented migrants in the trunk. 2 agents who are trained as emergency medical technicians rendered aid to the driver of the vehicle by performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation and using an automated external defibrillator. The driver, a U.S. citizen, was declared deceased on the scene by the Pima County Sheriff's Department. This incident is under investigation by the Pima County Sheriff's Department and is under review by CBP's Office of Professional Responsibility. The review is still in the early stages. Once the investigation has concluded, CBP's National Use of Force Review Board will review the incident. CBP will share the results of the board review once it's complete.